Hello my dear students, I am your computer teacher. I hope all of you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss the lesson 4 of class 6. The lesson name is Reference, Mailings and Review Tabs in MS Word 2007. In this lesson, we will discuss the reference, mailings and review tabs of MS Word 2007. Now, let us open page number 38. So, let us start. References tab. The References tab of MS Word 2007 is important and useful for users who want to set table of contents and footnotes. The References tab of MS Word is important for the users who want to set a table of contents and footnotes. Table of contents. Table of contents is a great feature for long reports. To create table of contents, once your report is finished, follow the given steps. So, table of contents is a very good feature for long reports. In this, to create table of contents, we have to follow the steps given here. So, first step is on the References tab in the table of contents group, click the table of contents drop down arrow and select a style. On the References tab, this is the References tab. Here in the table of contents group, this is the table of contents group. You have to click on the table of contents drop down arrow. This is the arrow. We have to click here, and then you can select a style. This will create your table of contents page automatically. Then the table of contents page will create it automatically. This is the easiest way to add a table of contents. In this way, we can add table of contents easily. Now, next page number 39. Step 3. If you would like more options, click the down arrow of the table of contents and select the option Insert Table of Contents. If we like to add more options, we have to click on the down arrow of the table of contents option. Then you have to select the option Insert Table of Contents. This is the Insert Table of Contents option. In the Table of Contents dialog box, the print preview and web preview show how the contents page will look like. This is the table of contents dialog box. Here, print preview and web preview will show us how the page will look. The show page numbers checkbox gives the option to show or hide page numbers. Here is the show page number checkbox given here. It will give the option to show or hide the page number. Right align page numbers checkbox places the page number at the far right hand side of the document. If it is selected, it will let you select from the list of tab leader. So, the right align page number checkbox places the page number at the right corner of the document. If we select the right align page number option checkbox, it will give us a list of table leaders option. The general section lets you select from a list of formats for the text of the content page. So, here is the general section. Here in the general section, we can select from a list of different types of formats for the text of contents page. Make the section and see how it changes the text in the print preview box. Then we have to make changes there, and you can see the changes in the print preview box. Let us open the next page number 40. Show labels lets you select how many indentations your table of contents will have in the list. Here the show label option will gives us option to how many indentations will have in our table of contents. Then we have to click on OK. Next, insert footnote. A footnote is used to comment on or provide some reference to the text in a document. So, in a footnote is a what is a footnote? Footnote is used to comment or give some references to the text of our document. To add a footnote to your document, follow the given steps. To add a footnote in a document, we have to follow the steps given here. First step, select the location where you want your reference mark to appear. First of all, we have to select the location of our reference mark. On the References tab in the Footnotes group, click the Insert Footnote button. Then we have to click on the Insert Footnote button on the References tab in the Footnotes group. The footnote will be placed at the bottom of the page for you to type the comments. Then the footnote will gets placed at the bottom of the page of our document. The Insert Footnote button will not only add the footnote but also renumber them as you move around text. The Insert Footnote button not only add footnote of for our comments of our document, but also remember them when we move around the text. To scroll between all of your footnotes and endnotes, click the Next Footnote button. This button gives you the options to go to the next or previous endnote and footnote. To scroll between all the footnotes and endnotes, we have to click on the Next Footnote button. This is the Next Footnote button. This button gives us the option to go to the next or previous endnote and footnote. Insert endnotes. Endnotes are notes placed at the end of the document. To insert an endnote, so endnotes are the notes which are placed at the end of a document. To insert endnote, we have to follow the steps given here. The step 1 is click the location where you want the reference mark. You have to first click on the location where you want the reference mark to be appear. Step 2, on the References tab in the Footnotes group, click the Insert Endnote button. Then we have to click on the Insert Endnote button of the References in the References tab of the Footnotes group. It will be placed at the bottom of the document and allow you to type your endnote. Then it will get placed at the bottom of the document and allows us to type our endnote. Here is a knowledge byte given. This is important. Footnotes are usually for detailed comments and endnotes are used for citations or records. Footnotes are generally used for detailed comments and endnotes are used for citation of or records. So, in this video, up to here only, we'll discuss the next part of the remaining part of the chapter in the next part of the video. I hope all of you understand. Thank you.